Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi paper squishy. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need some paper, clear tape, scissors, and a soft filling like cotton or foam. This project is super fun and easy, perfect for all ages. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your sushi squishy turns out perfectly soft and satisfying to squeeze. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make an adorable, squishy friend. Now that you have your supplies, let's get started. Take 2 sheets of paper and draw your favorite sushi design on one. Think about a classic nigiri or a fun maki roll. Cut out 2 identical shapes. Next, carefully align your 2 paper cutouts. Using clear packing tape, seal 3 of the edges, leaving one side open for stuffing. This creates a pocket for your squishy's filling. With your paper pocket ready, it's time for the fun part. Stuffing. Grab your chosen soft material, whether it's polyfill, cotton balls, or even shredded foam. Carefully push the stuffing into the opening, making sure it fills all corners and creates a nice, plump shape. Don't overstuff it, or it won't be squishy. Once it feels just right, seal the remaining open edge with more clear packing tape. Your sushi squishy is almost complete. Now comes the artistic touch. Use markers, colored pencils, or even paint to bring your sushi to life. Add details like the white rice texture, a vibrant piece of fish, or a dark nori seaweed wrap. Make it as realistic or as whimsical as you like. Once decorated, your squishy is ready for endless squeezing fun. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.